I'll show you something cool. When you're in here and you're cleaning these and stuff, there's ball bearings under here. You get stuff like WD-40 and all that, cheese them up. There's grease on them. You gotta either pop this off and grease them, about the size of like derailleur bearings, or you could do this trick that I've been doing. You take a syringe, and what you do is you hold it right along the edge and put pressure and just fill it all the way up around. Spin it a few times and it'll push the grease right down in there. So I just use a little medicine syringe. Works really good with some grease in it. Alright, give me 1 sec. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I do this. It's just super easy. I'm going to do it while holding a camera. So as you can see, it's pushing it in, it's leaving a small bead as I go. Alright. Alright, so once you go around and do that, spin this a few times. Really get the grease down in there. It sounds really nice and smooth now. Alright, and then when you're done with that, just take a napkin or Kleenex and just wipe it off. Just like that. Now you're all greased up. A lot of people overlook these. So spin this around a few times, get all the grease down in there.